Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can add or replace your SIM network in Google Play Store payment methods. So let's first see the dual SIM setting for my phone, and you can see there are two SIM networks are currently working in my phone. SIM 1 is Zoom and SIM 2 is Jazz. Now let's go to Google Play Store to check which SIM option is available in payment methods. Here you can see only the one network, which is Zoom, is available for making transactions through Google Play Store. So if I want to replace this Zoom with my second SIM network, which is Jazz, what I do, I will go to dual SIM setting and will turn off my SIM 1 slot, disable it. So after disabling the SIM 1, you have to restart your phone. I'm gonna restart my phone and we'll get back to you. Okay guys, I have just restarted my phone. Now let's go to dual SIM setting to check the status of my SIM card slots, and you can see SIM 1 is still inactive and only SIM 2 network is currently working. Now let's go to Google Play Store to check the payment options, and you can see the Zone network is unavailable now and is replaced by the SIM 2 network, which was Jazz. So after adding your required SIM card network, just go back to dual SIM setting and reactive your SIM 1 slot. So now you can use your both SIM networks. So guys, this was the method to add or remove any SIM card network in Google Play Store payment options. Thank you for watching.